All right, so for the engine, the LS engine that's going in the 67 Lincoln Continental, we decided to paint it. Although it's aluminum and it was clean and new, we just decided to put a coat of gloss black on it. It's gonna just finish it off and make it look like really nice. And it's also easier to keep it clean, so.
Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday and we're at the shop.
That's right, Matt, Saturday.
It's Saturday.
Did you stay out till 3 o'clock in the morning?
No.
You're in bed at 9.
Sure.
10?
I don't know. Area. This is for a motor, specifically an LS motor.
Straight back.
Huh? Oh yeah, we're going straight down. Yeah, pretty much.
Straight down?
Yep. Which way we going in? Whoop. Okie doke.
Down just a little bit.
Yep. Way off. Mine's in. Way off. I wonder if the nuts have to get flipped. This? Mm-hmm.
Yes. Forklift does make it about 10,000 times easier.
A little bit.
Hello?
Brand new. Open back the left. I love these walking around the shop and stuff. How about you?
I'm just watching Matt Brown spray paint his shoes to make them fresh.
Look at how nice they look now.
They smell though.
So what? I smell.
See something else, that Matt Brown.
Oh, hold on. There we go. There we go. So, turns out, this is the new trick, kids. Got some grimy old vans that should have been thrown out 6 months ago. Get yourself some Kemperly trim black. Do coat and a half. Yes, I have 2 different socks on.
Send this to Albert Kemperly. The Kemperly Vans. Collab.